Hey, Shalawam. So before I purchased my sewing machine, what I did was shop around. And I noticed that there was so many brands out there. It was kind of hectic, but I had three things in mind in order to narrow it down. I had my budget. I had simplicity for beginner friendly. And I also was thinking about, maximum durability. And it narrowed down to four brands. I was looking into Singer, Brother, Yuki, and Janome. And I ended up with Singer. This is my Singer sewing machine. It's the heavy duty model 4423. And yeah, I ended up with this one. It met my needs. My budget was at 200, give or take. The simplicity for beginner friendly, it met that as well. The ratings was 4.6 stars out of 5. And the durability so far, I've had it going on 8 years now. Yeah, this is the one I ended up with. And by no means am I promoting this or any other brand, or am I telling you to purchase this brand. I am solely just sharing my experience with you all. Shalawam, ladies.